Let's know flowers. R for rose. H for hibiscus. L for lotus. D for dahlia. C for champa. W for water lily. Z for chinia. S for sunflower. M for marigold. Y for yellow oleander. J for jasmine. Let's know fruits. A for apple. B for banana. P for pomegranate. G for grapes. O for orange. P for pear. W for watermelon. V for pineapple. P for papaya. M for mango. C for coconut. L for lychee. T for tamarind. L for lemon. C for cherry.